May 11.
It's so bright. I'm Susanna.
And I'm Vicky.
And this is...
Simon Says.
I should have said that too. Anyway, this is a short recording, and we are going to send this short recording to you every week.
Because we want you to be informed about activities to do in the SEC with us to stay connected and engaged. And if you do so, your Canadian experience will be so much positive.
Are you sure, Vicky?
Yes, of course.
So Vicky, hey, you're looking pretty energetic there. What are you doing?
Yeah, so I was so tired and sleepy before, but now I'm ready. Look at me. So energetic, but I wonder why.
Do you want to know why? Research from Harvard Medical School says that if you're doing anything that is challenging and that you don't really feel like doing, it will actually strengthen your willpower and it will help you reach your goal. So keep doing something that you don't really feel like doing.
So speaking of reaching goals, of course, everyone's goal is to pass EAP 136.
But not only that, also improve your language and have good experience, make some friends and all that.
And so we asked our INTD 137 students what habits to help them to pass EAP 136 in the winter term.
So these kind of habits that we will hear about are something to think about. Do you have those habits?
Some of them are actually really helpful.
I agree. I was surprised.
Yeah.
I think one important thing is that is meet your instructor. When we have some writing problem, for me, my writing is very poor. So when I have time, I will meet my instructor and ask him if I have some aspect that I can improve. I think that's very important.
Excellent. So meeting your instructor, perfect. Trevor, what about yours?
You have to use your office hour and take every opportunity that can help you finish your SEC assignments, because you may regret if you not finish it on time. Or just take every opportunity.
I love it. What about Tom?
For me, I think sleep early and wake up early every day. So it's a good way to help you brain work fluently.
Love it. And Hanshan?
I think reading is very, very important. And also, you can watch some film. I recognize The Godfather very, very good.
Before you stop in, I was wondering, so do you still now read? Do you have like a kind of like a good reading habit in English?
I just read and take some notes and record some new words in my phone.
Good. Excellent. Yes, reading. I love reading, right? That's great. 30 minutes a day. Thank you, guys.
Wow.
Thank you. Those are good, healthy habits.
Yeah, so if you want to build these healthy habits, feel free to join our SEC programming this week.
We will start with Study Zone on Monday.
So the study zone is you come to the ACC space to study, do your homework, or ask extra questions if you have from Susanna.
Because sometimes we have a tendency to be lazy, but remember that research, right?
Yeah.
Tuesday,
so we are going to play our first Kahoot tournament. So each week we are going to play one topic, and this will be whole term game competition. So make sure you attend every week after class at 12 p.m.
And also we are going to have our first writing workshop. So at 1 o'clock we will write, and there will be no pressure to perform. We are really just going to be writing better sentences and improving awareness, what we do well and what we need to improve.
Yeah, and also we are going to try out our first Try Tuesday. We are going to eat Nanaimo bars.
Oh, I love those. So yummy. Very
Yes.
Canadian too.
Yes.
Wednesday,
your seminar, and also we will have guest speaker.
first guest speakers. I think these should be really inspiring. Again, we have invited some former students who have finished INTD 137 course already or studying in different courses. And and they will share their experience, and they will tell you maybe some things that surprise them and what
expectation you need to prepare for your main campus courses.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. And on Thursday is our conversation club. If you want to speak more with or chat with more people, join us on Thursday.
And this is all happening in the SEC at 1 o'clock, right?
Yes. So how about Friday fun?
So much fun. We are exploring campus. We'll go in small groups, and it will be basically a competition.
Yeah.
You will be trying to find some spots and just learning a little bit what is where on campus. I think that's really important.
So during the Friday fun, the campus adventure, you are able to learn some important buildings on the campus for yourself in the future.
While speaking English.
Yeah,
Of course. So SEC is there for you to help you speak English outside of the classroom and make that experience in Canada.
Yes, positively.
Positive. Remember, overcoming challenges strengthens your willpower. Yeah, look at Vicky. And this was
Simon says.
Simon Says.